it! Catch it, Mama! Catch it! Hi Face, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. I'm just coming on to intro this vlog real quick, as throughout today's vlog you'll see us getting ready to head on vacation as we pack and get ready to hit the road. You guys finish packing and get some final stuff done, so hopefully you guys will enjoy today's vlog. If you do, comment down below and let us know what was your favorite part of today's vlog. You guys, I wanted to show you Tyler pinning his clothes on the line. Once he see me doing the laundry, he says he's always gonna help me. Look at him. Which other 5-year-old boy especially you see helping their mom put laundry out? Look at him. Well done, Ty. And he pinned this one too all by himself. He liked pinning his clothes by himself. He take his job very seriously. Good job, Tyler. Look at my one son. He's gonna be a great husband someday. Good job, Ty. Bravo. You guys, look at all this here. I am actually in the bathroom trying to get something done to it before I head on vacation. So y'all, wish me luck and I'll let you know how it goes. Okay you guys, this is where I'm at. An hour and a half later and I just finished elasticing up all my hair in this pattern. Now I'm gonna go ahead and sit with my braid. I have 32 like this, so now I need to go find 32 pieces of braid to put in my hair. It's gonna be a long day, but I'm almost there. I'm getting it done. You guys, one side finished putting in braid in this side, another side to go, which is gonna take me roughly an hour. So we're getting it done. Almost there, almost done. You guys, I'm almost done finally. I'm almost done installing the braids. I have one last one left to go. One. So if you guys wondering how I do my hair, because whenever I try to braid the old-fashioned way, the braids are always loose, so I use the elastic band method. So I just part my hair in small sections and put the elastic band at the root, and then I use my iron comb to just straighten the hair a little bit like that. Then I use my edge control, and I'm using the Jamaica castor oil edge control, and I put it at the roots before I catch the elastic band, and then I put it just at the beginning of the hair like that, to make all my curly hair become a little bit straight. Just like that. And for this last one, I'm gonna use both black and red braid at the front. This is a little bit too much, so I'm gonna take away some of it. And then I braid it in. Easy. So they always say this is for people who can't braid like myself. So I put it in at the root, just like you'd braid it, not on the old-fashioned way. But the elastic band, what the elastic band does it gives you a firm hold at the root, and you just plait it in like this. Okay, you guys, there we go. Hair is all done, and that's me. I won't have to worry about combing here for the few days that I'll be away. Run, Sarah, run! Run, Sarah, run! Run, Sarah, run! Run, Sarah! Go get him, Sarah. Run, Sarah, run. Run, Sarah, run. She been going around the stage after Tyler. Catch him, Sarah. Go get him, Sarah. Go get him. Go get him, Sarah. Run, run, run. Go get him. She wants her pussy. Jesus Christ. She climbed up the couch to get her pussy for you. You guys, we just got back from
the supermarket.
We are getting ready to go off on vacation, so we went to do a final shopping, so we'll have some things to carry with us and some things to stay home. So when we get back, we won't have to rush to the supermarket, because we are also going to have a visitor when we get back. Anyhow, let's jump right into the supermarket haul.
A visitor?
Yes, it's a surprise. So I won't tell you who it is until we get back.
Can you not tell me who it is, but can you tell me what his name started, what letter it started?
I'll tell you on the day when we coming back, okay? So you can guess. Alright? Alright, let's go. Show the kids what we have. Ok.
Orange.
Ne va parler en français et en anglais.
Orange.
Orange. Orange. Sarah is in bed. C'est quoi ça?
Du savon.
Savon pour?
La vaisselle.
Oui. La vaisselle, non. C'est pas pour la vaisselle.
Pour le lavabo.
Non. C'est pour l'assiette, mais pas dans la vaisselle. La vaisselle, c'est un petit carré comme ça. C'est pas ça, pas la vaisselle. Okay? He said this is for the dishwasher, but it's not for the dishwasher, it's just to wash the dishes. The dishwasher is a small little square. What's this? C'est quoi ça?
Du jus de pomme.
Jus de pomme, apple juice.
Du concombre.
Cucumber. Say it louder so they can hear you.
Du concombre.
Ah, c'est quoi ça? What is this? Right, say it louder.
Banane plantain.
Right, planting. Okay, mama favorite.
Power.
Powerade. C'est le même maintenant. C'est le même en français. C'est boisson pour le sport.
Powerade.
Boisson pour le sport, c'est drink for the sports. Okay, what is this?
Du pasta.
Pasta. C'est quoi pasta en français?
Spaghetti.
Non, c'est pâte. Et ça? And this?
Repas
Et ça,
pour
c'est
Sarah.
and this. Yes, c'est repas pour Sarah. Food for Sarah.
Why can't they need to French?
Because
Me,
I'm
I suppose.
explaining to them what you're saying.
I'm going to say it and you say it in English. Only in English.
Okay. So why you squeezing my breast like that?
Just a Dominican.
You're funny. What is this?
Du céréales pour aller dans le lait de Sarah.
Right. He said cereal to go in the milk for Sarah. What is this?
Du brosse à dents.
No. Brosse à dents is the toothbrush. What is this? Dentifrice.
Dentifrice.
Yeah, that's
You did a
toothpaste.
thing.
But you didn't remember one of these. Alright. I'll give you some more time next time, okay?
Okay.
Alright.
Le dernier du savon.
So,
Après le plus délicat du mouchoir.
Sarah sleeping.
Après le plus délicat du mouchoir.
Mouchoir, paper towel. What is this?
Des couches pour l'eau.
Couche follows, pampers for water. Mouchoir, paper towel also. They already see this. More toothpaste. Okay, what is this? It's the same. C'est dentifrice. Toothpaste.
Dentifrice. Des
Yes.
lèvres.
Yes, eggs. You're funny. What is this?
Des raquettes de tennis.
He started the foolishness. C'est courgette en français and oh my god.
Zucchini.
English.
I
You
remember.
remember before me. More food for Sarah. Et ça c'est quoi?
De la banane.
No. He says ball. C'est poivron en français. Sweet pepper in English. C'est quoi ça? What's this? Stop. What's this?
Mr. Strong.
Mr. what?
Mr. Strong.
Mr. Strong.
Yes.
Broccoli. C'est quoi en français? C'est broccoli.
Broccoli. Broccoli.
C'est quoi ça? You don't know what this is. C'est pois chiche en français.
Voici.
Mhm.
C'est quoi du canne
Chickpeas. No, Thai. What is this?
Du thon pour les chats.
What? Oh, you just said repeat.
Du thon pour les chats.
Le thon pour le chat. If you ever know what teacher said.
It's because
The tuna for the cat.
it's because cats eat tuna.
Oh, you know cat eat tuna. Who tell you say cat eat tuna? Ryan?
No.
Who tell you that?
Paw Patrol.
Papa. I was expecting that a week. Wait when it's finished up. What's this? These are some little breads for Caesar salad. Oh my god. C'est quoi ça? What is this?
The chickpeas.
No. The mixed vegetable. C'est légumes en français. He's a fool. What is this? Duo. Duo is the type of biscuit, but we call it happy biscuit. Biscuit en français.
biscuit.
C'est quoi ça?
Du lait blanc.
Let me tell you something that's been happening. No, don't do that. I said, don't. 1, 2, you play too much, you can listen. I said, don't do that. Let me tell you something that's been happening to Tyler lately. Because it's hot and he's sweating so much and his eyelashes are so long, when it's wet, the eyelashes stick up on his eye like this. So sometimes his eye look like this. I keep looking at him and say, why he look like that? And then I realize because his eyelashes are so long and it's wet, it just stick up. And he look ridiculous.
Mama,
yes,
I'm thirsty that I want to drink some Powerade.
If you eat off all your dinner, you'll get some Powerade. It's time for dinner. You haven't eaten dinners yet. Okay, let's finish up so we can have Powerade and dinner. We already saw this. What's this? Salad. Lettuce.
No, lettuce.
C'est quoi ça?
Not the cashew.
Cashew.
Mama, can you put it the other way like
They
that?
already saw that. What's this?
Put it the other way like that. Adipa.
Gluten-free bread. I saw it and
Put it the other way every single. Like that.
you guys saw this already. What is this?
Oh, it's 2 cherries.
It's avocado. Avocado Francis.
Avocado.
Okay, one last bag and then we finish. They already saw that. What's this?
Put it here. Put it here.
Why I don't have time?
Sausage.
Sausage, sausage. Eh? They saw this already, no? No. The poulet.
Poulet.
Chicken. Okay, what's this?
What's that?
Look!
I'll be
Ribs.
the first.
What?
I'll be the first. She's written.
Okay.
Cereal.
Dinner to showtime. Et le dernier, c'est quoi ça? No girl, but this I do have the strength for Tyler and his antics today. Honestly, I am so tired, and when I laugh, I get weak because he's so hilarious. Tyler, no, he's sweet. Ty, no. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna go give him some dinner and send him right to bed. That's the end of the supermarket haul. Hopefully you guys enjoy his antics. Give this video a thumbs up. Another fool joining me.
You had a good day? You enjoyed the vlog?
Exactly.
You enjoyed the vlog?
Say hello. You've never been say hello.
Exactly.
Hi guys.
Even Tyler know exactly what to do when the camera is on.
Tyler, you going to bed now? No dinner for you. Hi guys.
That to show that you like to slap Papa.
Why are you drinking sardine with water?
Oh, you never know that those candies exist before they reach in water. Anyway, you guys, I'm going to
Bye
feed
bye,
my
and I'm
little
going
nugget.
to drink my Powerade.
No,
Bye
you're
bye,
gonna
no,
eat it.
no dinner, only Powerade. Bye bye.
You wish. You wish.
Later.
So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you guys tomorrow with the kickoff of vacation. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below if it's your first time, subscribe if it's your first time. Catch and keep up, and we'll see you guys.